If you are approved by Adsense, if you have a blog, a website, and you want to increase your revenue, I want you to watch this video until the end. Now, look at my Adsense dashboard. Okay, this is one of my website, themmsexperience.com. I have placed Adsense ad on my website, this website, and it has about 2,000 page views, 2,300 page views, and it only generated only $5. And this is only because there were even 10 clicks on those ads. 10 people clicked on those ads. That's why you see this. Look at my phone. This is my phone right here. If you look at overall the lifetime Adsense page views that were generated across my website when I started monetizing with Adsense, that's 20,000 page views. Look at what it only generated, less than $20. Now look at another website that I have, but that I started monetizing with Ezoic instead, with only 10,000 page views or website visit. Look at the difference. 20,000 page views, less than $20. 10,000 web visit, 117. Now this is a review of Ezoic. If you have a website and you're approved by Adsense and you have more than 10,000 page views on your website per month, it does not matter what country you are in, you need to head over Ezoic. I'm going to put the link down below, where if you click, you're going to land on this page and you can start a free trial. Ezoic is free to use as long as you have those 10,000 monthly page views and you're approved by Adsense. Okay, you just click on start a free trial, you input your information here, and you create a free Ezoic account. I have already made an in-depth video. If you head over my videos on my channel, you click on videos right here, I have already made this in-depth video that I'll put on the link down below to actually set up Ezoic completely on your website. Now look at my ePMV, which is the revenue per 1,000 visitors on your website when you monetize your website with Ezoic versus Adsense. It's about $12 per 1,000 page views. Now, meaning that for every 1,000 visitors that come on your website and view your ad, they don't even have to click on it, simply just navigate on your website. This is how much you're earning per 1,000. Now, because per day I have about 355 visits on the website, this is what it generates per day. You see the difference between monetizing your website with Adsense versus Ezoic. Adsense is just ripping you off. Ezoic strategically place ads on your website in such a way that it increases your revenue from almost 0 to about 50 to 250%. Now, after you've applied with Ezoic like this and you're approved, now you just come here on monetization and you scroll down. Again, Ezoic has an ad tester that if you turn that on, you enable that on your site, it's going to perform automated multivariate ads position to test to optimize the overall ad earning, meaning that it will test all the optimal placement on your website. It can be a sidebar, it can be a header, it can be anything, in such a way that it can optimize your revenue. And you just click here on new placeholder, you create your placeholder, you copy the code. You just simply copy the code, you go on your website, you use a plugin called Advanced Ad, you paste the code there. Ezoic will make sure that you increase your revenue. I just want to tell you, this site is not even a finance website, it's simply a fashion website, but it's generating this ePMV. Now imagine you have a finance website or an entrepreneurship website or a business website. This can actually be double to about 24. You can join with your website. It does not matter what website you have. I emailed actually my Izod Manager. When you get approved, you have an Ezoic Manager, but I emailed my Ezoic Manager and I asked him, does Ezoic approve website that Adsense have approved that are from any country besides the US and are in other languages? And for example, the website is in France and is in French, but is Adsense approved, or the website is located in Morocco but is in English. And he said, we approve all sites in any language or countries, laws permitting, as long as the language is supported by Google. So you understand that your language is most likely supported by Google. If you satisfy those criteria, if you're approved by AdSense and you have at least 10,000 monthly page views on your site, click on the link down below, apply to Ezoic. Now, if you want to learn how to get approved by AdSense, I have also released 2 videos, this video and this video, that you can get approved by AdSense, and after you've done that, you apply for Ezoic. Now, I want to talk about the Ezoic Premium program, because after a few months with Ezoic and having an increase in traffic and revenue, I was invited to join the Ezoic Premium program, and they only invite a selected sample of publisher where they see that there is consistency in your revenue and your traffic, they will invite you at some point. And the idea is this: with Ezoic Premium, the premium revenue is generated through a programmatic guaranteed deals. So you have guaranteed deals with specific advertisers that are interested in your website, and then or you in your ad placement, and meaning that those deal with guarantee very, very high CPM, often above $50 CPM, meaning that all those Ezoic deals will actually outbid all the remainder auction on your website in order to display, because they have higher CPM. And if you look at my dashboard, you will realize that beside the Ezoic normal revenue that I have, where I have a high ePMV, now I also have a premium revenue, okay, about $1, $3. As soon as I actually applied for that premium deal that they offered me, I saw a dramatic increase in my ePMV. And we are getting into the last quarter of the year, where advertisers are willing to spend a lot more to place their ad. They have a lot of money that they're trying to spend for the last quarter of the year. You need to join Ezoic right now so that you take advantage of this last quarter, because this is Christmas time is coming. A lot of people are going to spend money online, and if you have your website with Ezoic, you are actually going to earn a lot more. You see, for example, this is one of my websites, the mmsexperience.com. I am waiting for this website. There is an increase in traffic because I am actually writing consistent blog posts about business entrepreneurship, and as soon as it hit 10,000, I'm going to apply to Ezoic, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to receive a much higher ePMV, because AdSense is just ripping me off. Look at the ePMV with AdSense, 2,000 page views, only $5, meaning that there is $2 per 1,000 page view. This is not worth it. I would even rather disable AdSense ad on my website, because people are clicking on those ads and getting away from my website, but I'm not earning anything from that. So yes, AdSense is good if you're just starting off and you don't have that high traffic, but as soon as you have that high traffic, head over to Ezoic. Another thing that I want to talk about is, now I am approving guest posting on my site. Look at my beautiful site, the mmsexperience.com. Shoot me an email at the mmsexperience123@gmail.com. And if you look at my website, I received a few emails from people asking actually to guest post on my site. And look, for example, at this post. If you look at this post, the power of entrepreneurial creativity during COVID-19, it's actually written by Elena Stewart. So what I did is that I created an author account when she reached out to me to guest post on my site, and I actually provide everything. I provide you tips to write better blog posts, and at the end I provide you with the credit. So if you write about things related to online business, entrepreneurship, e-commerce, and you want exposure, okay, you want to write a blog post where people can click on your profile and actually access your website or any information, then reach out at the mmsexperience123@gmail.com and we can talk about it. So this is the end of this video. The only thing that I wanted to talk about is join Ezoic. This was the best decision that I have made.
Do it! Just do it! Do it! Yes, you can! Just do it!
Again, there are other alternatives to Ezoic, but those alternatives require usually higher traffic. For example, Mediavine, I believe it's 50,000 pay monthly session, and iThrive is about 100,000. But Zoik, as soon as you hit those 10,000 web visit or page views, head over it and you will not regret it. Until next time, take good care of yourself. I love you people. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.